Hello, listener. Welcome back. You are with your guider, Rani Chaudhary, Zanzibar College of Business and Management. Our today's topic is listening. Why do we listen? What are the reasons to listen to others properly? The basic reasons are to gain information, to get feedback, to participate in another story and gain experience, to create relationships and bonding, to respect and values others. Listening is perhaps one of the most important skills we have, yet it is one of the least recognized. Let's get to know what are the basic characteristics of a good and effective listener. Are you a good listener? The basic characteristics is attentive. Good listeners must pay attention to the key points. He should be alert. He should avoid any kind of distraction. Do not assume. Good listeners does not ignore the information he considers is unnecessary. He should always summarize the speaker's ideas so that there is no misunderstanding of thoughts of speakers. Listen for feelings and facts. Good listener concentrates totally on the facts. He evaluates the facts objectively. His listening is sympathetic, active, and alert. He keenly observes the gestures, facial expressions, and body language of the speaker. Listening, in fact, how we ourselves learn to speak. Research reveals that although we spend so much of our time in listening, we don't necessarily remember all we are told. Shortly after 10 minutes oral presentation, the average listener will have retained only half of what was said. After 48 hours? After 48 hours, they are likely to remember only 10%. Its research already proved it. Only 10% you can remember after an oral presentation after 48 hours. Then how can we improve listening quality? We can do it. If we follow some basic ideas, basic guidelines, you can improve your listening quality. What are those? Stay focused. Prevent yourself from being distracted by colleagues or external noises and concentrate on what your caller is saying. Detect emotions. Listen to the emotion in your caller's voice. Does it match or endorse the words they are using? Ask questions. Ask questions to gain more information on points you need to clarify. Don't interrupt. You listen more effectively when you are not talking. Let them finish what they are saying. Interruptions may break their prepare of thoughts. And the most important is doing practice. Make it habit. Listen others, give attention others, even it not necessary in your life, even it not necessary for your own purpose, still don't break your attention. Let them finish. Try to understand their emotions. Try to understand their words. Don't be distracted with outsiders' noise, external noise. And do practice. Practice, practice, and practice. It is the only one way to improve your listening quality. Be patient. Follow news, oral news. You could find improvement in your listening quality. And if your listening quality is strong, then your speaking will be very effective. Your knowledge will grow up. So do practice on listening and improve your listening quality. A good listener always can be a good speaker. Today we are finishing here. We'll come back to you again in our next class.